Rovio are still removing Angry Birds games from the App Store. This is a comment that I'm getting on all my latest videos, and it's actually quite interesting. If you didn't know, about a month back, I dropped a video explaining on how I found out that you could still install some of these amazing classic Angry Birds games on your device today. To summarize, I found out that you could download all these games on screen right now, that you could download all them on the Amazon App Store. Seen that it worked for a lot of you, worked for me, and there was no issues, and I continued about my day. But there was always a lingering comment thread the comment section that I seen. Rovio, must I not repeat, not find out about this? That is a great comment, LooneyBirds14, because this is a comment that I see a lot of the time when I update on bringing back some of the games on how to install them on currently. I did upload a video that was instantly removed from existing, and if you were one of the very few people who didn't get to see it before it was released, I showed you every method on how to install Angry Birds games. Yes, Angry Birds Epic on iOS, and YouTube instantly got taken down by Rovio. But that's a discussion for another day. But the comment that I saw a lot on the video that was once available but you can't see anymore is that I should gatekeep this and not put this on YouTube so Rovio will never find out about this. And I always kept the same answer. The odds that Rovio seeing this one specific video and not seeing the wave or the tsunami of other videos calling out Rovio what to improve is so minute and small that there was no point of even thinking that Rovio would ever see it. But a comment I'm seeing a lot more and a lot more every time I try look at this Amazon method on how to get the games back is that it's not showing up in a lot of regions. I have no proof on the exact regions that are there, but there are people saying that they once were able to get it and not get it anymore. So there is certain regions that since my video has been posted a little over a month ago now that Rovio has removed from the App Store. And take all this information with a grain of salt because we know the torch that YouTube comments are, and they're not the most reliable source of information, but it's coming from a lot of people who are watching the video that have gone and tried the method and it's not working for them. So I'm gonna go with it for now. And this point just proves that Rovio somewhat knows where their games are and when they are being downloaded. And just like the Zimbabwe way to get it on iOS, this is a way to get it on Android that is not sketchy, downloading APK and all this other shenanigans that was needed to install the game. This is just proving that Rovio is really trying to wash the world of the memory of Angry Birds and some of the classic games that they don't want to quote unquote keep up to date on modern devices. So I wanted to make this video to discuss the future of exposing, or not exposing to say, but showing off some of the methods to install these classic games. Future method that I think is best to get it off YouTube, because we saw what happened the last time I tried to show you every method physically possible to get the game side loading on iOS. You can Angry Birds Epic again. All these other methods that were included to get it were just removed from YouTube. I had the video gone, wiped from existence. I tried to repost it 3-4 times, didn't happen. So we're probably going to move forward with getting these videos up probably on the Discord. If you didn't join the Discord, it's linked on screen. That's the code, top right, description and comments. There is no way that you can't join the Discord. I have it all checked. It's forever. You should be able to access any issues. Drop a comment. I'll reply to you. Fix it all up. But that is probably the method that we're going to go. We're going to keep it exclusive. I'll probably upload an MP4 file map that so it's just on the Discord and nowhere else, that we won't spread it out and Rovio won't be able to find some of the methods that we have found to get them installed. But this is just kind of an awareness video just to let you know what's happening. But if you have any knowledge of anything that Rovio has done, or if you're also having issues with them removing from your region, let me know in the comments below and we can discuss the roadmap for the future of this. But hopefully you had a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next one.